Getting your mindset on point is one of the most important things that you can do if you want to be happy or successful in life. The thing that most people don't realize is that you are not your mind. And what I mean by that is you have a stomach, right? Go with me for a minute. You have a stomach and it growls, but you don't say, I am growling. That would be weird, right? You say, my stomach is growling. You have a heart and it pounds, but you don't say, I am pounding. You say, my heart is pounding. You have a mind. Minds think. That's what they do. And when you can remember that there is me and there is my mind, and we are not the same thing. So when you can remember that, you can start to question and say, wait a minute, is that true? Is it accurate? And is it helpful? Because our minds were designed to keep us safe, not to keep us happy. Our minds were designed to keep us alive, not to help us thrive. So they're biased toward the negative, and their main goal is to keep us safe and sound in our comfort zones. So we have to start to push back. You have to keep that in mind and start to challenge everything that you're thinking. Is it factual? Is it accurate? And is it helpful? And when you start to do that, you can start to develop a more helpful mindset, one that's based on facts, not negative predictions, and one that is helpful, one that's going to help you handle situations and be the kind of person you want to be.